Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Uzanu. I'm here back with the Wattpad tutorials 2020 you guys love. So today I'll be teaching you how to verify your Wattpad account from mobile. So I have been reading a lot of comment how to verify your Wattpad account in my comment box below. So I decided to make this video in 2020 version. So for without further delay, let's get started. Let's verify our Wattpad account. After you have signed in for the Wattpad account, you need to verify your account. For that, open your email app. As you can see, I have got email from the Wattpad to verify my account. So don't panic. I have seen I have not got an email address till now from Wattpad to verify my account. Don't panic, you will get your email to verify your account. Make sure you wait for some time because sometimes it may take a time for the email, for this email activation of your Wattpad account. Make sure you have check all this all this primary, the social. Make sure you check all this. Usually the activation Wattpad account comes in primary, but make sure you check in all of these, and also in spam. Sometimes important mails also gets in the spam mail. So as you can see, I have already got this activation mail of my Wattpad account. So after you open the mail, just click on this orange button where it decision activate account. So choose your browser. Success! As you can see, your email is verified and sign up is complete. Enjoy. So this is how success. Your email is verified and sign up is complete. Enjoy. Yahoo! We just verified our Wattpad account through mobile. So this is how you verify your Wattpad account from mobile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something how to verify your Wattpad account from mobile. And if you ever face a problem when verifying your Wattpad account from mobile, make sure you let me know in the comment box below, or also in all of my social media platform, Twitter, Instagram, or my Facebook page. So all of my social media links are down below in the description box, and make sure you follow me on Instagram for exclusive pics and videos. I will not be putting all the exclusive pics and videos in my YouTube channel, so you can also check out my next channel, Uzanu React, for the reaction videos you'll love. For now, see you in my next video. Bye bye.